Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have come with new topic, that is OSPF, Open Shortest Path First. So OSPF is also a dynamic routing protocol. So in this protocol we will learn how to configure and how to enable in your network and access the device from one node to another, and you can able to ping from each device with this device to that device with the help of OSPF. So in this topology I have taken three routers and two PCs and one switch and one sub. So these end devices are for only to check ping results from one device to another, and I have configured IP address on this PC. You can see the IP address configured, and this server also, and this PC also, but I have not configured any device, any IP address on these routers. So go and configure, because these routers are connected to its neighbor devices, and each interface should have unique IP address. So go and configure. So let's start from router green and go to the CLI mode, enter enable config t interface kick 0i0 IP address 192.168.1.1 and 255.255.255.0 and no shut. Okay, that's it. So you can see that this interface has been up now. So here are many interface, and each interface should have to done same configuration with these IP address which are I have given in this graph. So let's do it quickly, and then we will learn OSPF configuration in detail. Stay tuned. Go to router green, config t, router OSPF, and autonomous system. You can give from 1 to 65,535. You can check from here. So you can give process ID from this range to that range. So give any number as per your choice. So I have given 10. And network address. So network address, all connected network address for this router. So connected in network address are 1.0, 3.0 and 2.0. 192.168.1.0 and wildcard mask. It needed wildcard mask. So 0.0.0 and 255. For 24/24, your wildcard mask will be 0/0.0.0.255, and that's it. Sorry, you have to give the area number because this is the routing of OSPF, so you have to configure area 0. That's it. So we are not going further configuration like multi-area or another area, so we are giving simple configuration for this topology. So only area 0 is, that's it for now. Next network is 2.0 and another network is 3.0. Okay, that's it. So it is done for this. Go to this router and configure the same with the connected network, router, OSPF, and process ID is 10. You can give same or you can give different as per your choice. Network 192.168 dot connected network are 5.0 and 4.0 and 2.0. So 2.0 and wildcard mask will be same and area is 0. 4.0 and 5.0. So one router is left, so configure on that router also. Config t router OSPF 10 and network connected network are 4.0 and 3.0. Wildcard mask will be same and area is 0 is also same. Sorry, and give 4.0. Let's check if you are able to ping now or not. So go to in this PC and desktop and command prompt and ping the same IP 5.10. So reply coming from 5.10 is you are getting reply, and you can ping any device in the network because your OSPF routing protocol is enabled. So you can ping any device, ping any 192.5.100. It is pinging, get the result, question out, but none of that is successful. You can ping with the name of device, ping PC black, you are getting reply. Ping router silver, router silver name is of this router, ping, you are getting reply. You can ping router gray, ping router gray, you are getting reply. So hope you have learned quite about pin shortest path first routing information, routing protocol, and if you have any query question related to this topic, you can put your question in the comment section below, and we will try to answer you. And if you have any doubt regarding this, how can I ping with the name of device PC black or DNS server or these router silver or these router green, so it is the configuration of DNS server. And on this DNS server, we have configured some services like DNS, and where I have given the host name with the with matching IP address. So when you ping PC below, so it takes the IP address from this server. So that's why you are able to ping. If you want a new topic in this uh, DNS services in detail, so you can refer my video in this channel, and link is given in the description below, and refer I button for this video in this video. So thank you for watching.